Good morning, futures traders. This is David on May 19th, Thursday, 2022. The time is, not that. The time is 9:03. Kind of getting a late start today. Oh, let's see here. I'll do this. Okay. Yeah, ES took off. I was early on that. It just went boom, boom. I was over here watching this and that took off. So I'm up over my allotment, but I'm going to show you guys how it's working. I made a few changes on their settings. Seeing if they work okay.
Order submitted.
Oop, that's the ES.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yep. Done for that one. That's 4,000.
Order canceled.
Wow, they're really moving. See what this one's doing. I am not going to get greedy on this.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I think that's going to do it. I made 632 and 4,000. So let's look at this. Look at strategy performance. Okay, so you guys can read it. Do the properties. Okay, $4,000. We used $183 worth of commissions. They were 100%. The ES was perfect today. Average trade was 300. Largest winning one was 950. If you did this all week like this, you would make $143,000 a month. I'd guess that's a pretty good job. So then do this one, add that on top of it. Let's see here, strategy right there. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Strategy performance. Okay. Well, we're going to change that. Make it bigger. Should just probably try to set this so it's always there. Okay, $832. Gross profit $739. Minus, well, I guess gross profit is minus that. Let me look. 6. Yeah, that's right. $122. And 80%, 75 and 80. That looks good. If you did this all month, 19,000. So, I mean, hey, that's not bad. And then just go back to bed or do whatever you want for the day. Go golfing. Whatever. Yep, that's right. Right on the money. Okay. All right, that was a nice day. Morning. Like I said, it's only 9:08, and I got the rest of my day all to myself. Yay! I could still trade some more, but I'm happy with it. I made mine way over my limit, so I'm happy.